Today, we're going to do something super exciting. Are you ready? We're making our very own slime. Slime is stretchy, squishy, and so much fun to play with. You don't even need to buy it from a store, you can make it right at home. So, grab your grown-up and let's get started. To make slime, you'll need just a few simple things: white school glue, liquid starch, or contact lens solution with baking soda, and food coloring or glitter if you want to make it colorful and shiny. Got everything? Awesome! Make sure you've got a bowl and spoon ready, too. Now, pour the glue into your bowl. Add a few drops of food coloring to make your favorite color. Want glitter? Go ahead and sprinkle some in. Then, slowly mix in the liquid starch or your contact lens solution with baking soda. Watch what happens, it's starting to turn into slime. Now comes the fun part. Use your hands to knead the slime. Is it stretchy? Sticky? Slimy? Tell me in the comments what color or design you made. Did anyone try rainbow slime? Or maybe glow-in-the-dark slime? Here's a tip: if your slime feels too sticky, add a little more starch or solution. If it's too tough, add a tiny bit of water. Keep kneading until you have the perfect slime texture. And there you have it, your very own homemade slime. Isn't it amazing how just a few ingredients can turn into something so fun? Don't forget to share your slime creations with us. And if you loved this activity, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and join us next time for more fun experiments. See you soon, Playtime Pals. Bye.